how do you feel about your learning? Like, I always tell people, if you're serious, if you go through the course content, which is kind of underrated, and you really dial in, you're gonna barely recognize yourself from a knowledge standpoint, maybe after like 2 or 3 months of spending time with us. How do you feel about your knowledge, like your comfort with, I guess, real estate deals, evaluating deals, certainly the tenanting process now? Do you feel accelerated? Like, how do you feel versus where were at when you came in?
I feel more well-rounded in every phase of what goes into a deal, from underwriting a deal, how to, navigating, reversing, doing the work by looking at the comps
Yeah,
and, letting
working
that dictate your
backwards.
offer. Yeah,
Yeah,
working back. That's what I was looking for. Working backwards from the comps. Construction, like I told you in the course, just the course content. I look at that as like the books, like that was the books for me, and then it came together on the ride along where I was like, oh, okay, that
yeah.
makes sense.
Speak on the ride along. How was that experience? Like,
It
coming
was
out,
huge.
seeing like 15 houses in a day in different phases, and really being able to like pick my brain about over
Yeah,
a decade's worth of experience. How was that for you? Because you had already done a deal, so you'd already learned some
right,
in going
right.
through a project. But was the how eye opening was like the ride along in terms of that knowledge?
What was eye opening about it is what to look for, because
Yeah,
I looked at maybe 50 to 100 houses going into it, but I wasn't looking at the right thing or digesting what needs to be done in order to make this a success. So there were a lot of things that the pieces were just put together on that, like, oh, okay, this is why you do that. This is why you don't do that.
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
and that was
yeah,
huge because I think a lot of times the information we need, we can be misled by, certain contractors that may profit by telling us something else. And you know what I mean? So there's a lot of things that just made sense, and it was just simple. Like, okay, I see you doing this. This is why you do this on a flip. This is why you do this on a rental,
yeah,
So everything just came together. You know what I mean? So
yeah.
it made everything now moving forward for me. Okay, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm not doing. Simple, and I don't need to overthink it. That's it.
Yeah, you don't need to guess, and you don't need to fail forward. You don't need to
Right.
try to figure out, what a good deal is and lose money. Because a lot of people don't know this. You do now because you've done a deal essentially with no guidance. And I think you did a good job of doing it with no guidance personally.
Thank
Your
you.
first deal was better than mine.